Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss how you can scale even more when Facebook is limiting the amount of campaigns that you can actually create. I'm actually referring to Advantage Plus campaigns, and let's go. So we will go into my PC soon. I started scaling one ad account and I scaled a lot. I will show you what is happening over there. In our philosophy in this channel, we're using several campaigns. Of course, now we have Advanced Plus campaigns, so I use a lot of them with post IDs, with normal ads and so on. I'm going to do also another video about post IDs and how I'm utilizing them. But I have realized, I didn't know it until I have seen it, that you can do up to 8 Advanced Plus campaigns per account and you cannot do more. And the question is, how can I scale more? Well, with all of the other strategies that we are showing in this channel. So right now I'm scaling also with stacked lookalikes. And without any further ado, let's go to my PC in order to show you how I keep scaling even when Facebook is limiting me with the 8 Advanced Plus campaigns per account. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 ad accounts. In one of them, I have the limitation of 8 Advanced Plus campaigns. It's in United States. In the other one, it's in United Kingdom, and I don't have this limitation. This is the message that I was getting. Exceeded max number of Advanced Plus shopping campaigns per country. You've already released the limit of 8 Advanced Plus campaigns for the following countries. United States. If you'd like to create additional campaigns for these countries, use a standard conversions campaign. And it doesn't let me to create it. So I'm going to discard this stuff and I'm going to show you what is happening here. If we go over here on the previous month, it was June, I believe. The spend over here, it was 86K, 86.7K, 2.45. With the new campaigns that I have done and with the scaling and everything, I managed to scale this account up to now, which is July. I scaled this account to 137, most probably I'm going to hit 150K, which is kinda double the amount, and I also managed to increase the ROAS, which is pretty good. The thing is that I have 8 Advanced Plus campaigns. I have some cost caps which I'm doing. Of course, they're not spending a lot of money, but I do have different cost caps with post IDs, $27 USD. So whatever I can see that is working in the ad account in terms of cost per purchase, return on ad spend and stuff, I'm saying, okay, let's move it to a cost cap and put it with a huge budget, $500. Of course, it's not spending all of it. Imagine that this one has $500 budget, 451, and it spent all of that in just 1 month. But this is how cost caps are working. I have videos about cost caps if you want to see them. And it's just an extra, you know, it's just an extra 6K with 2.86. I have another cost cap here with 3.37 and just 3.333 spend. And we're getting a lot of volume from our Advanced Plus campaigns. And because I wanted to scale more and more, I started doing my crazy method, stacked lookalikes, which is another method. So here we're using 3 strategies: Advanced Plus crazy method, no, more than 3. Advanced Plus crazy method. We use Advanced Plus with post IDs instead of normal ads. We are using stacked lookalikes crazy method, and we're using cost caps with ROAS and with price beat. So, and with 7 days attribution in the cost caps instead of 1 day that I'm showing in the video. Over here, for example, we have a stacked lookalike campaign. It's working pretty well. Basically, it doesn't even need optimization because it just had sales everywhere. It's not like this one that it needed optimization in order to reach, and I closed all of that, and this is what it stayed with a smaller budget, of course. You can see here that you can also scale super fast CBO campaigns with stacked lookalikes, like the way that you do with Advanced Plus campaigns. They can also support $1,000 budget or $2,000 budgets per campaign. It's not something that you can do only with Advanced Plus campaigns. And the stacked lookalikes, for the people that they don't know, it's basically when you just take all of these different lookalikes of 10%. Sadly, I have to hide some of these. And when you do all of these 10% lookalikes and you stack them together so that you can have a better estimate side audience. So in this situation over here, we have 1 Advanced Plus, 2 Advanced Plus, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 8 Advanced Plus, 2 campaigns with cost caps, one very small retargeting campaign because we have a lot of Advanced Plus campaigns, and we have 4 stacked lookalikes campaigns. Sadly, I have to hide the names of the campaigns, but you get my point. Let's go to another ad account. This ad account is in United Kingdom. In the previous month here in June, 82k, kinda similar situation. So far this month I'm having 131. I even improved the ROAS from 6 to 7 ROAS. I'm going to hit 150k easily in spend here. The spend that I have in a daily level is 5,600, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days more. So we're going to hit that this month so far. Yeah, we're going to easily hit 155k to 160k. The ROAS here has also improved. It's because of the structure that I'm having with several Advanced Plus campaigns, that they are all working together. Some of them, they have post IDs. We have here also ads that very small retargeting campaign. We have some ads that they're all about lookalikes and stuff, as I showed you, but you get the point over here. Here you see a more structured ad account, which is not you are not afraid with this ad account for bad periods, because you have more stability and you have more room of doing things instead of just having one campaign. If you're having a problem with Advanced Plus, use my other strategies. You will be able to scale also there. These are 2 ad accounts that I have managed to scale not only with Advanced Plus but with other strategies and methods also. And I will see you for the closing of the video. So, when Facebook is putting obstacles, we are trying to find solutions, and this is why you have this channel, because it has all of these different strategies that you can use, and maybe all of them are going to work, maybe some of them. It doesn't matter, keep testing them. Some of them are going to work, and I believe that they're going to help you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, my paid course, and my website, of course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.